Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to see how to prepare a very rich smooth curry, Aloo Akbari. First we are going to prepare the koftas or the cutlets. For this we need around 4 to 5 boiled potatoes. You have to remove the skin and mash them. To this add the required amount of salt, a teaspoon of chilli powder and a tablespoon of corn flour. Let us give this a nice mix. Make small balls out of this and shape them as cutlets. And here the cutlets are ready to be fried. Take a pan, pour some oil in it. We are going to shallow fry the cutlets. One side is ready, let us flip them. The cutlets are ready, you can drain the oil and take them out. Our next step is to prepare the masala. For this we need around 20 soaked cashew nuts. You can soak the cashew nuts in water for around 1 hour. To this add 3 to 4 garlic cloves, a small piece of ginger and 1 big onion. Grind this into a fine paste. Now let us start preparing our gravy. Take a pan, pour some oil in it. To this add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of chilli powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Saute everything well for about a minute or two until the raw smell of the masalas goes off. Then add few chopped mint leaves and chopped coriander leaves. Let us saute this for another 2 minutes. Now it's time to add the grinded masala. This seems to be thick, so let us add a little water, around half a cup. You can always adjust the water according to the consistency of the gravy. You need a thick, creamy gravy. Add the required amount of salt and give a nice stir. Cook this in low to medium flame until this turns creamy. And finally, your gravy has to be like this. For serving, you have to take a small amount of gravy in a bowl. Then add the prepared cutlets. This way your cutlets will remain crispy while serving. So here is our rich Mughal gravy, Aloo Akbari. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.